Imagine posting a 5 seconds video and it gets thousands of views and people start discovering your channel and you start getting a lot of subscribers. Isn't that good? I know that feels really good, right? Yes. In this video, I'm going to talk about shorts and how to use shorts to grow your channel really fast in 2026. A lot of small creators are using, even I myself, I used shorts to grow my channel really quick. Before we talk about anything, shorts on YouTube is a video that the duration is from 3 minutes to 0 seconds. Any video from 3 minutes to 0 seconds on YouTube, it's called shorts. And YouTube pushes shorts more than long form video because a lot of time in 2026 a lot of us are busy, really busy. So most of the time when they come to YouTube or go to other social media to relax, they want to get something that is really entertaining. If 10 people are online, it's certain that out of those 10 people, 7 of them are watching short. 7 of them are watching short video. It's only the 3 people that are watching long time video. Why? YouTube pushes short more than long time video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Faith Favor Tutorial. On this channel, I share content tips, content strategy, and YouTube. This video, I'm going to show you 4 tricks that you can apply to use short to grow your channel from 0 subscribe to 1K really fast. Really fast. Without saying much, let's dive into the video. One of the tricks you can use to grow your channel really fast using short is applying hook. Using hook on your short is very important. Okay, let's say you come to YouTube and you open YouTube app and you're about to scroll on YouTube app and watch some videos. You click, let's say there's creator A and creator B. You click on creators A short and short is saying, hi, my name is Ada and I want to tell you that egusi is a nutritious, it's very nutritious thing. Then you click, then that is creators A. Then you click on creators B's content and he or she goes like this egusi soup. I made this egusi soup using only 3 ingredients and these 3 ingredients are very nutritious and very good for the human body. Tell me the truth, my friend. Which creators are you going to stay longer to actually hear what they have to say? I'm setting his creators B. That is what using hook or your short does for you. That is one of the ways to make your shorts get thousands and thousands, if not millions of views. Number 2 trick that you apply for your shorts to get millions and grow your channel quickly is one video, one shot, one simple idea. Do not start a short and you're going to another direction. You're talking about, let's say you want to talk about how to make a egusi soup, and from egusi soup you're talking about bonus soup, you're talking about okra soup. No, your viewers click because they want to know how to make a egusi soup. So my friend, stick to that one idea. If you want to share an idea, let it be one idea that you're giving out on one shot. If it's a solution to a problem, let it be one solution that you're bringing out to that problem that your viewers click your video to get. Number 3, which is very important, is posting consistently. A lot of small creators come on YouTube and they post today, maybe they are in the next small creators. I'm not talking about these big creators. Small creators, they post today and the next 3 days there is nothing. Maybe the algorithm has even have forgotten that your channel existed, you get. And the next 3 days you come again, you post on and you disappear. No, my friend. If you want to grow your YouTube channel really fast in 2026, you have to consistently post shorts. You have to post shorts consistently. Post today, post tomorrow, post. Keep yourself consistent. Is you create an idea in your head, setting a goal in your head, and striving towards achieving that goal in your head. Let's say, oh, you set in your head, maybe, oh, this month I want to achieve 100 subscribers. How do I do that? Let me say, I'm going to post short every day for the next 1 month and say what's going to happen. Okay, fine. I'm going to post short 4 times in a week for the next 1 month. Do not do it 1 week and the next week you will know where to be found. You're going to consistently post short every day. Okay, if you cannot post short every day, post 4 short in a week. Okay, let's say 4 short. Make sure if you're posting short on Wednesdays, you're posting next week, you're posting another Wednesday. Upper week, you're posting another Wednesday. till the month end. You're posting every Wednesday. If it's on Tuesdays, every Tuesday, that's like you posting maybe on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That is 4 days in a week. You post consistently like this for that month. The fourth, which is also very important, very very important to grow your channel really fast, really fast, is posting with volume. You need to post volume. If you're starting your channel, choose quantity over quality, my friend. Leave quality for our big creators. As a small creator, post quantity. If you are using short, do not post less than 3 shots in a day. Post 3, post 5, post 7, post 10. If you have the motivation and the strength to do 10, post 10 in a day. Post 10 shots in a day, and you'll see how your channel is going to blow up in a small.
Posting many videos in a day is that when you post many videos in a day, the algorithm tends to push your videos more. You tend to get many views than usual.
Why? The 4 tricks I shared in this video to help you use short to grow your channel fast and get thousands of views and turn those views into subscribers is: number one, using hook on your short. Make sure you're using hook on your short. Number two is one video, one tip, one idea, one solution. Number three is you posting consistently. You showing up consistently, even on hard days, my friend. Show up consistently. Number four is you posting with volume. As a small creator, choose quantity over quality. If you follow these tricks I have shared with you, short can become one of the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to get your 1,000 subscribers fast, check out this video on my channel. I gave out a detailed information on how you can use short to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in my next video.